Is your Instagram feed full of finance gurus asking you to buy their course and also to learn affiliate marketing? Do you know what it really is? Or better yet, use AI to do it for you while you rake in the profits. If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. So watch as I explain how you can turn a special AI into an affiliate marketing machine. Now, before we jump into the tutorial, let me give you a quick rundown of what affiliate marketing really is. It's a process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. In simpler terms, suppose that there's a company that makes treadmills. Normally, they are responsible for their sales themselves, but to boost their sales, they make use of affiliate marketing. Now, in that same scenario, suppose that I am a fitness influencer, and if I tell my audience that the treadmill of that company is the one that they should buy, it would lead to an increase in sales numbers. But why would I do free advertising, right? Instead, I'll ask the people to buy that treadmill through my link, and that way, the company would compensate me per sale for being sort of a sales agent. I bet you are wondering now that if I don't have that kind of following, how will I ever succeed in this field? Well, that's the thing about affiliate marketing. It has always been about one thing, getting people to click and buy. And as you'll later find out in the video, you don't need a huge number of Instagram followers or YouTube subscribers. There are other ways to get the work done as well. But let's be honest, it's not as easy as slapping a link on a blog post and watching the commissions roll in. You need compelling content, optimized messaging, and the right strategy to convert casual visitors into paying customers. This is where AI changes the game. Instead of spending hours brainstorming catchy headlines or writing endless variations of ad copy, AI can do the heavy lifting for you. It analyzes data, predicts what words will perform best, and helps you create content that actually sells. Whether you're crafting product descriptions, email sequences, or social media ads, AI tools like AnyWord can generate high-converting copy in seconds. The beauty of AI in affiliate marketing is that it removes the guesswork. You don't have to wonder which headline will drive more clicks. AI can tell you. It can tweak your messaging based on audience insights, helping you target the right people with the right words. In short, AI is like having a data-driven marketing assistant who works 24/7 to optimize your content and boost your commissions. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the money-making business. As you've already guessed by now, the AI we'll be using is AnyWord, and if you head over to their website, you'll see how cool it is. Unlike basic AI writing tools that generate random text, AnyWord is designed with conversion in mind. It doesn't just spit out content, it predicts performance. Every piece of copy comes with a predictive performance score, showing you how likely it is to engage readers and drive clicks. That means no more trial and error, you get insights up front. Another huge advantage? AnyWord tailors content to different audiences. Whether you're targeting tech-savvy professionals, stay-at-home parents, or Gen Z trendsetters, the AI adapts your messaging accordingly. Plus, it helps you optimize for different platforms, from Google Ads to Instagram captions. Once you sign up for free, you'll see a 3-step pop-up that you'll have to answer to get access to the AI's features. In step 2, if it asks you to give a company URL, then don't worry, as you can just leave it empty and skip this step. Now that you are finally in the dashboard, you'll see quite a few options over here. Let me give you a quick overview of what they are. On the main screen, you can see that it gives you options for personalizing the AI, as well as creating the content that you'd be using for affiliate marketing. We'll check that out in a moment. For now, let's look at the toolbar on the left. Here, the first option is to create content. Next, a home button for your dashboard, and an all projects button, which would be like a file explorer for your projects. After that comes the Content Intelligence tab, which is useful when you have connected your apps. It shows you deeper insight into how your ads are doing. Since we haven't set up any right now, we'll skip it. Next comes the brand voice, and here's the part where things get more fun. Here, head over to Tone of Voice and click on the plus new button on the top right of your screen. Next, you're going to see a pop-up that gives you 3 options. Since we are starting fresh, we'll select the Define Manually one. Here you'll be setting the tone that you like, and thinking that which one would work well with your brand's image. For me, I'll select the friendly, informative, conversational, humorous, and authentic. Next, you can add a personality to your voice with the Add Personality button. For this tutorial, I'll select an advisor. As for the custom instructions, you can either give it some clear ones yourself, ask ChatGPT to give you some instructions to write here, or just skip it since it's optional. Since I have some experience with AI, I'll give it some instructions like make sure the content is engaging. Finally, I'll click Next, save it as Salesman1, and hit Next. Now that we have our tone set, let's make an audience portfolio through the Target Audiences tab. Once again, click on the plus New button at the top and select the option where you can describe your audience in your own words. Since I'm trying to sell a treadmill or a walking pad, I'll name the persona for this audience as fitness enthusiasts. Gender doesn't matter for this item, and the age group can be 25 and above. Here in the pain points, just simply go to ChatGPT and ask it to write the pain points of the customer of your product, like I did. Next, just copy and paste the answer into any word, press Enter, and then save. Now I need to decide how I'll be selling my product. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be going with a blog, so I'll click on the Create Content button, followed by the long-form wizard button. As you can see, with just 6 easy steps, I'll be able to have a complete blog in just a few minutes. So let's go through them one by one. After selecting the English language, it will ask me a few questions which will act like prompts. Since it's a single product I'll be talking about in the blog post, I'll just click on the product review button, and as you can see, it will automatically fill out the text box. For primary keywords, I'll use weight loss, fitness, treadmills, and running, but you can even optimize this step using other AI tools like ChatGPT, Writesonic, or Ahrefs. Next, select the audience persona and the voice tone that we made earlier, and then click Next. In the Title tab, it shows us some titles that it has generated itself, or you can write one yourself. One good thing about the generated headlines is that it gives them a writing score as well. I'm quite happy with the first one, so I'll stick to it and click Next. Next up is the outline. It looks quite overwhelming at first, I know, but don't worry since the AI will be doing most of the work for you. On the right side, you'll notice that the outline helper has suggested a complete outline on its own. Conveniently enough, you can just click on the Use this outline button, and it will fill up the whole form for you on its own. When you click Next, it will take you to the Facts and Statistics section. It makes you wait for a bit here, but what it's doing is that it's going through articles to extract some stats for you so you can select which ones you want to be a part of your blog. Since it doesn't show the stats of the treadmill I'm trying to sell, I'll manually input the website myself and use the AI to extract the facts from it. Once that's done, I'll select the ones I want and click on Next. Finally, in the generation section, I'll turn on the headers and set the word count to 1,000 since that works best for blog posts. After that, I'll just click on Continue to Editor. In the editor, you'll see that it has written a full-fledged article for me on its own. But you'll notice that it's not that specific since it couldn't find many relevant facts about that specific treadmill. That's where manual editing comes in, and I'll tweak it a little and add a few things here and there so it feels more authentic. Once I'm done with the edits, I'll simply copy it using the button at the top, paste it into WordPress, and then publish it to my blog with an affiliate link attached so my readers can buy it if they want. Now, if you want to use the AI for short-form content like Instagram captions, writing ads or prompts, or even marketing emails, you can click on the Create button again and select the Data-Driven Editor button. Let's say that you need help with writing emails that you'll be sending to people, telling them about a good gadget. Writing that on your own would be tricky, but with AnyWord, it's just a matter of a few steps. So select email from the list, and once again, you'll see a box to enter a prompt and an audience to choose from. If I want to sell the same treadmill, I'll go ahead and write this prompt. Once again, the AI helped me write. Next, just select the tone and audience, and you'll have an email almost ready to be sent to your list within a minute. Now, as you can see, the email isn't perfect. If you want to improve on it, there are 2 methods. First, you can ask the AI to improve it by hovering on the generated email and then clicking on the Improve button. You'll see a pop-up open which gives you an option to improve it through 5 actions. Choose the way you want. Secondly, and this is the better way, you can manually edit it and make some changes that will set it apart. You see, everyone has access to an AI, and if you are reaching out to potential buyers, you need to make them feel like they are connecting with you. That only happens with the addition of a personal touch. This is where you can get ahead of everyone. One of the most common mistakes users make while using an AI is that they rely on it too much. They expect it to do everything for them, which kind of leaves some room for error. Yes, AI like AnyWord generates amazing content, but that doesn't mean you should just copy and paste. Readers connect with authenticity, so always tweak AI-generated copy to match your unique voice and audience. Remember, a little personalization goes a long way. Secondly, many affiliate marketers just assume that their first draft is the best one. To make sure that you aren't making the same mistake, sync your apps with the AI and use the predictive performance scores or A/B testing different versions of your content. This way, you'll see which draft works better so you can use it in the future. Once you start seeing results from your affiliate marketing efforts, the next logical step is scaling up. But here's the problem. Scaling means more content, more campaigns, and more work. That's where AI automation comes in to help you grow without burning out. With AnyWord, you can automate content creation for multiple platforms, blogs, emails, ads, and social media without sacrificing quality. Instead of spending hours writing product descriptions or testing different ad variations, AnyWord does it in seconds. The AI learns what works best for your audience, allowing you to replicate and optimize successful campaigns quickly. Another huge advantage? Personalization at scale. AnyWord can tweak content to match different demographics, making your messaging feel custom-tailored instead of one-size-fits-all. This means higher engagement, better conversions, and more commissions without extra effort. And let's not forget about repurposing content. Got a winning blog post? You can use AnyWord to turn it into an engaging email, ad copy, or social media post, all in a few clicks. That's it for this video. What type of items will you be selling through affiliate marketing? Let us know in the comments.